Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Today I want to talk about the mounting ring kit for Harley-Davidson. The kit we're talking about today is from SPL Bagger Audio. So I'm really impressed by their 8-inch ring kit. We make our own rings in-house for all our custom builds. So the reason there's plenty of awesome 8-inch ring kits out there, and the reason we make our own rings is that we figured out that if you use half-inch expanded PVC, you can get the factory locks to clear, and you can get the woofers close to the side of the bag as possible, so it takes up less space. The problem with doing it the way that we do it, it's not really a product that we could sell and show a customer how to do it themselves. So with all these easy install kits that we've been selling and shipping, we didn't really have a solution that we were happy with that wouldn't keep us on the phone for hours with tech support. So we deal with Tim Nagy from Nagy Rings. We deal with Hefe and Hefe Rings. They make an excellent product. But the problem is these products are more geared towards the professional fabricator, where you don't really need instructions. You know that you got to bond it with panel bond. You know that you got to rough cut it, then flush trim it with a router. Then you have to fabricate. You have to fabricate some sort of grill or covering. So now the problem is we're shipping these kits. So what I started doing was recommending to my clients buy the kit from SPL Bagger Audio. They make a quality product. We never had to use them because we build all our rings in-house. But after having a couple of customers bring us their kits a couple years ago, and we saw the quality of their kits and how well thought out it was, I finally decided to reach out and become a dealer. So we can make kits like this. The problem is they spent so much time in research and development. They already know what works, and they have it down to a science. So if you want to use your factory bag locking hardware, they include an Allen key, because after you cut the factory hardware, it's hard to tighten the bags. So they've included an Allen key. If you don't want to use the Allen style key, they've included stainless steel bolts. 5/16 that everybody knows is the thread of Harley-Davidson hardware. So you can go that route. The rings are tapered to match the angle of the bag, right there. And then this is the most impressive part. They include mesh grills, which are pressed. And they give you options, whether you want to do a full bag cut, a partial bag cut, just a rectangular opening, similar to the way American Hard Bags does it. And the American Hard Bag kit is nice. It has a nice fit and finish. It's just we feel that it restricts too much of the output. I like to cut the entire ring out. Something else that SPL Bagger does is it gives you the option. Some customers are not comfortable with cutting a big ass hole in their bag, so they give you the option for the punched hole template. They give you a template for both sides. They give you the option for press grill or no press grill. They've already taken the time to research and develop a kick-ass kit with very detailed instructions. They've included all the stainless steel mounting hardware. So literally all the math is done for you. Stainless steel bolts, machine screws with washers and nylon locking nuts. So you get the 2 rings, you get the templates, you get the mounting hardware, and you get the press grills. If you're worried about it being more water resistant, you could just put grill cloth over the grill, and that keeps, because the mesh keeps rocks from kicking up and damaging the cone, the grill cloth would keep moisture and dirt out. So all you'd have to do is wrap this and then install it as part of the kit. Doesn't get any easier than that. I could develop my own kit, but why? This is a great solution It's super affordable. The entire kit's $149. So you can't go wrong. It wouldn't be worth it to me to sit on the phone and explain to you everything that they've already explained. So I'm glad I'm a dealer for their product. We support anybody that does a good job and helps put together a good product so the client can end up with an awesome end result. So we've just added SPL audio to our arsenal. It's not something we use in-house. It's something that when we're helping somebody on the phone, this will get a single 8 installed in your saddlebag with mesh grill to protect it. Comes with an awesome template so you can cut the bag precisely without screwing it up. And then you have an excellent fit and finish. It's a quality product. I couldn't see doing it any better myself. It's just a little different than the way that we do it, but the end result is still an awesome fit and finish. So, hope this helps. I would check out their website. Pretty sure it's splbagger.com. They have a bunch of other solutions available. www.splbaggeraudio.com. They ship out of Wisconsin. They have everything for every year Harley. They have excellent instructions. The first time I reached out to them, they called me back within 10 minutes. Customer service is on point. I got a tracking number the same day I placed the order. So we keep these in stock. These will ship with our easy install kits if you decide to do a saddlebag mounted 8 facing the rear wheel. And that's it. Thank you.